You're welcome to App Fix and In. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Robux on Roblox app. So you want to buy a Robux on your Roblox app. This is what you need to do. Right here, you need to log into your Roblox app like this. Looking right here on the screen, at the top right corner, you can see the gear icon. Now you can actually do this on your Roblox app or on your Roblox studio. So this is what you can simply do. Click on the gear icon right here. So once you do that, looking here at the top corner of the screen, you can see my Robux balance, which is 40 Robux. In order for you to actually buy Robux, just as I've actually done on my, this is what you need to do. Looking right here, you can see the Robux package. You can see the one of 25,500, which is going to cost you $199, and several others. There are actually some that are lesser. The lowest one is 0.49 cents, which is actually 40 Robux. So in order for you to actually buy any of these, you can simply go ahead and click on it. Select the one you want to buy like this by tapping on it. Right here, you need to input your payment method. I've actually inputted my payment method. That is why you're seeing the MasterCard option right here. So if you've actually done that, this is what you're going to see. But if you've not actually added a payment method, you can click on the payment card right here and add a card to yours. After adding it, right here at the bottom, you can see where it says one tap buy. So clicking on one tap buy, you'd be able to buy this Robux. So this is the steps you need to take in order to buy Robux on your Roblox app. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. This is App Fix and In channel. See you in the next one.